Hey guys, so here is a version or a clip of Lake Charles, Louisiana at 11:53 Eastern Time. So yeah, this is what's going on there. There's a bunch of people standing around. I don't know what they're doing, but I'm just going to let the video roll. Thank you to 101.3 WOPC. You guys are clearly awesome for doing what you're doing. So yeah, I can't wait to see what's going on, and also I really hope that everybody's safe, and you guys gotta be safe in there. You guys in the blue jackets, what are you thinking? You're in a hurricane. You know, it's like a big hurricane. What are you thinking? Go back home, blue jacket guys. Look at this palm tree. It's about to like fall apart. Can you believe how strong plants are? Oh, look at this guy. Look at this guy down at the bottom right here. They're like going for it, you know? It's good. Anyway, we'll keep you updated. Holy, I think things are getting a little serious. Look at those trees. Look at those trees just flying. Imagine those were humans. Like, wow. I think we're going to see those trees topple, unfortunately. Oh, goodness. I hope these people are safe. Anyway, keep watching. So here's Galveston, Texas. So Laura is approaching landfall as a category 4 hurricane. So it is 12:19 a.m. Eastern Time. And look at that, you know, look at the waves. Like, they're coming in. Like, all this area here used to be grass. And it's slowly encroaching on the road, which is right here. Or like right there. Anyway, I'll stop drawing, but anyway, I don't know. It really sucks, and I hope you guys do well there in Galveston.
Alright, Tyler, okay. David, I'm getting Hurricane Michael vibes. Alright, wow. Yeah, well, hey, this could be like a Hurricane Michael in a sense because of its winds. not want me to sleep.
Wait, does that look like an eye?
Fine, I'll stay awake until midnight. Fine, I'll talk.
Look, here's another eye. Here's a
I'll talk until
nose,
midnight, okay?
mouth. Or maybe would it be more like...
But also, I want to set up the panel thing also.
I wonder. Anyway. So here you can see some, oh wait, it says not for rebroadcast, so I'm gonna stop. Bye. So, it is 12:25 a.m. Eastern Time, and we're just looking at how Laura is approaching Texas, and yeah, it's pretty much, it sucks. So what I wanted to say is this is kind of creepy, this next little broadcast. It just sounds, I don't know, just eerie or ominous. Anyway, it's about Hurricane Laura. She's approaching Texas right now as we speak at 12:26 a.m. And we're praying for everybody that lives in those areas. But anyway, listen to this seriously creepy channel. I don't know if it's broadcast somewhere or what, but it's creepy.
Clear, 79, northeast at 13. Tyler, mostly cloudy, 75, north at 8. Once again at 11 p.m., DFW Airport, partly cloudy, 76, east at 6. Now let's check on your local forecast for the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. Tonight, partly cloudy. A 30% chance of showers and thunderstorms this evening. Lows in the mid-70s. East winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Thursday, mostly sunny with a 30% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Humid with highs in the mid-90s. North winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Thursday night, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-70s. Southeast winds around 5 miles an hour. Friday, sunny, hot with highs around 102. South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Heat index readings up to 110 in the afternoon. And now the extended forecast.
So I don't know. It was kind of weird because they were like this weird computer guy, which I'm sure someone has programmed. I don't know if it's some kind of AI or whatever. I support it, whatever it is. But yeah, they kind of said like it's going to be sunny with a chance of thunderstorms and stuff. So I don't know. I'd be annoyed if I lived in that area, to say the least. Because guess what? The rest of the world doesn't understand what you're going through. So, well, that's totally not what I meant to say. I meant the rest of the world is only seeing a little bit of it. So if you guys could put more videos out there, we might be able to see more. And not that you have to, because you're probably like running for your lives, and I'm so sorry for that. So actually get to safety, and then maybe we can hear your stories. And wow, I'm sure you guys are going through crazy stuff. Anyway, we'll listen to a little bit more of this weird, creepy AI storm weather thing.
Winds around 10 miles an hour. Saturday, sunny, hot with highs around 100. Heat index readings up to 110 in the afternoon. Saturday night, mostly clear with a 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the upper 70s. Sunday, sunny with a 30% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Hot with highs in the upper 90s. Heat index readings up to
Okay, so this one is a lovely broadcaster, and he's just telling about how he forecasted all of this, so much support.
But yes, this is really hard to predict. It really is. Thank you, Jeannie. I'll definitely keep up the super awesome, great work. What's up, Sharon, once again? What's up, Laura S? How are you doing, Laura?
I think this guy might be a celebrity. He seems to know everybody in his chat. I mean, I'm not insulting anyone, but what are we talking about here? Calamity or catastrophe, or, you know, the first person to predict it. I think that's awesome that you did. Anyway.
By the way, Laura S, you must be making landfall very soon here. Sarah Powell, this is such a trippy year. I know. It's a crazy 2020 year.
Okay, fine. I feel bad. He's just reading his comments. Oh my god, I need a life. Apparently. Oh my god.
And you know, I hate when I get these forecasts right. Because, dude, I forecasted this to become a Category 4. Okay? And I feel bad that I got it correctly. I feel
he feels bad. So he's just gonna tell everyone how bad he feels, I guess. So I'm really glad for you that you forecast this, and I think that's great. So let's hear more about how you were the first one.
terrible that I got it correctly. But at the same time, the sooner that I get it correct, the more people that I warn ahead of time, you know? And you will remember me for next year's hurricane season that, wow, David actually got Laura. I nailed Dorian. Dorian, no one forecasted Dorian to become a Category 5. Well, it did. It did. You're disappointed that it's not a Category 5? Really? I don't think anyone wants it to be a Category 5. So there is a look at the hurricane, everybody. Let's go back now to live footage. Shall we look at that?
I don't know. Is this going to be interesting?
There's a look at it, and it is definitely deteriorating. The conditions are getting a little worse by the minute.
Looks like a rainstorm at this point, so that's a good sign.
I'm telling you, it's terrible. Conditions are awful out there.
Like how? How? Tell us. We want to know. We can't see anything.
Look at these weather conditions. Just really, really awful. And it's only getting worse.
But we just see rain.
And this is an all-night live stream.
Okay, good. Anyway, good luck to this guy, and we will check back with him later. Awesome. You did a really good job.
What's up, Han Jonas? Thank you for the $5 donation. You're really awesome. By the way, if you all...
So here it is for the last part of our first part video. A live look at Galveston, Texas. So Laura is on her way. It's 12:37 Eastern Time. So anyway, I just wanted to wonder about this little amusement park here. I hope that little Ferris wheel survives. Anyone else worried about that? But anyway, I guess the morning will tell. So on this note, God bless to anybody that's in the path of the hurricane, or anybody that's dealing with COVID or protests or what the heck ever 2020 has for you. I'm gonna end this video on that. Okay, have a good night, everybody. Bye.